Hello class, my name is Caden Steegs, and today I'm going to be talking about why Pakistan is so concerned about Indian influence in Afghanistan. And hopefully this is insightful for you guys, and so let's get started. So firstly, we have to understand the current relationship between Pakistan and India. As we all know, Pakistan and India do not have the greatest relationship. They haven't had the greatest relationship for, some time now. And as they fight for the influence of Afghanistan, these two countries' tensions rise, they worsen. And so, as we all know, they're both heavily armed with nukes, advanced weaponry, and etc. And Pakistan sees India as a threat, and India sees Pakistan as a threat. So, right now, both of them do not like each other right now. So, how has India influenced Afghanistan so far? India has provided $1.5 billion, and this was mainly on reconstruction, road building, health clinics, and an array of small development projects and scholarships. They've promised Afghanistan an additional $500 million over the next couple years on, whatever is needed in Afghanistan. They've also reopened the Kabul embassy, and this is the embassy right here. And Delhi has provided training for the Afghan army and other security personnel since 2011. So these are the Afghan officers who just got done training in India. And as you can see, India has been influencing Afghanistan since almost 2011, or maybe even before then. So this isn't recent. They've been doing this for a while now. They've been trying to better their relationship with Afghanistan for a while now. So, why Afghanistan? Afghanistan is a gold mine, as in for their natural resources. Afghanistan has over $1 trillion of mineral reserves that include copper, iron, and lithium. Now, they're also situated at a very strategic geographical point for the future transport of oil and natural gas to and from Central Asia. Pakistan and India and Afghanistan and Pakistan are huge trade partners, and so is India and Afghanistan. They rely on each other for trade. And China right now has great relationship with Pakistan, and if Afghanistan and India no longer are cut ties with if Afghanistan cut ties with Pakistan, that could affect this trade route to and from Central Asia. And Pakistan does not want that. So, what is Pakistan scared of? Pakistan feels like India is trying to go against their interests. They feel like if they take over Afghanistan, or not take over, but heavily influence Afghanistan, this will go against their interests. And they fear that an Indian dominated or closely allied Afghanistan would leave it encircled and vulnerable in any potential conflict. So if there was any future conflict between these two, and Afghanistan was closely tied with India and no longer had ties with Pakistan, Pakistan would basically be trapped in between this choke point between these two countries. Afghanistan would usually be the back door or way out, but they have no way out if Afghanistan and India are both working together against Pakistan. This also leaves Pakistan isolated, and Pakistan fears that isolation will occur if India heavily influences Afghanistan. So, is India's influence working? Right now, both Afghanistan and India have a great relationship. They have really have a better relationship, I think, than Pakistan and Afghanistan. And so India and Afghanistan have a great relationship due to, India aiding Afghanistan, over $2 billion and things like this. So this was the end of my project. Hopefully this was insightful. These are my sources. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments down below, and I'll gladly answer those. And hopefully you guys learned why Pakistan is so concerned about Indian influence in Afghanistan. And thanks for watching.